Hi, how are you all? Today we're gonna see about dashcam installation.
It's a brand new BMW, and this customer just called up and then he said, I want to have a proper installation using qualified people. So I'm just going there. It's a day off for me from my engineering job, so I'm just going there. I will install this for 1 or 2 hours and then come back home. Now I've reached at the customer place. I'm just waiting for him to come and open the underground parking. You can see here. I'm just waiting at the underground parking. He said he'll be here in a minute or two. So this is the car I'm going to work on now. It's a white BMW and it's a brand new car. You can see here. This is the camera. I'm gonna install it. It looks pretty good inside. I'll give you guys a quick update on this car. This car has a virtual cockpit. You can see here. It's a series. Pretty good interiors. You can see here. I just found the fuse box on passenger side for this BMW. Now I'm going to connect all the dash cam cables here and then run the wires all the way along the pillar and then just up there. For the reverse camera, I'll show you guys how to install the reverse camera as well. This is the hardware kit which works for any dash cam. It purely works on 12 volt and 24 volts. As you can see here, it has 4 different settings: 11.8, 12 volts, 12.2, 12.4. It means whenever the car battery has gone down below 11.8 volts or 12 volts, the dash cam will stop automatically recording a video. It is purely for preventing a flat battery. See here, this is the hardware kit. Now I'm gonna install this hardware kit into a car fuse box. The hardware kit has 3 cables. The red one always connected to battery, which means it has to have permanent supply, and the yellow cable is auxiliary cable, and it means this cable will get a power whenever the car ignition is on. Another one is a black cable, which is earth cable. Now I'm going to connect the red to permanent battery power, and then yellow to the auxiliary battery power, and then black to the earth cable. I'll show you guys how to connect everything once I complete the installation. Now I'm testing the fuse box, which is permanent supply, which is auxiliary supply. I can see here, this is permanent supply, and then this one is auxiliary. You can see whenever the car is on, that light will be on. Yep, you can see here, the car ignition on, this is on. Once I turn the car ignition off, it will be turned off. Now I've connected all hardwire cables. As you can see here, there's one up here and there's one on the other side, and then the black cable connected one of the chassis terminal. Now I will run all the cables to the front camera. The front camera now has been installed. You can see the wires coming up here along the way, along the pillar, and then going into the fuse box. The front camera is done, and now the wires are running for the reverse camera all the way along there and then to the boot. I'm planning to place the reverse camera up here, so the cables has to run from here along the way to there and then up here. Let's see how we can run the cables through those rubber grommet. The rear boot trim has been removed. Now I've removed the rubber grommet as well, so now we can easily run the cable from this hole to here and then to there. Let's finish the job. Now I'll run the cable from front camera along the door pillar and then just come up here. I'll remove this rubber grommet on the boot lid, and then you can see here the wires running through those holes. The reverse camera cables now have been completed. You see there, just coming along that. Now the dash camera installation has been completed. You see, this is the front cam. The front wires run along there to the back camera. It has a display on the windscreen as well, as you can see here, display on the windscreen.
If you like the video, comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe MDP's Luxury Cars and give your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box below. Bye, we'll meet you next time.